Oh, you might be thinking that what I'm doing. Actually, I'm trying to produce the electric charge. So, what is the electric charge? There is no any proper definition of the electric charge. But according to the characteristics of the electric charge, we can define the electric charge is a basic property of the matter due to which the magnetic and electric effect is produced inside a matter. So we know the basic atomic structure. According to the atomic structure, inside the atom, the center of the atom consists of the nucleus, and in nucleus there is a proton and the neutron. Proton having positive charge and neutron having no charge. Around the nucleus there is a cloud of the electrons and different electrons revolving in different orbits. And in any atom, the number of electrons and number of protons are equal. And each electron and proton having the same charge. And the value of that charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Because the number of electrons and number of protons are equal in any atom, so any isolated atom if we talk about, then its total charge is 0. So you can see here, initially in this cloth and in this PVC rod, the number of electrons and protons are same. That's why the total charge initially it was 0. But when we rubbed this PVC rod and this cloth, then the electrons get transferred from this cloth to this PVC rod, and that's why this PVC rod get charged, and same time this cloth also get charged. So we will try to understand in more depth. So here I will tell you actually what is happening. So I will take a rod and a cloth. Let us consider there is a 10 electrons on this rod and 10 protons. Same way, 8 electrons on this cloth and 8 protons. So initially both are neutral. But when I rubbed it, this rod and the cloth, then the 2 electrons get transferred from rod to cloth. So now what will happen? If 2 electrons get transferred, then now here 8 electrons, and here its number increased, it's a 10 electron. Initially the number of electrons and protons were same in both, but now here electrons are less and 2 protons are more, and the protons consist the positive charge. So now here charge is plus 2e, and same time here the charge is minus 2e, because here 2 number of electrons are extra. Now we can design one formula. Q equals to N into E, where Q is the total charge produced on any body, N is the number of electrons transferred, and E is the charge on electron or a proton. So E value is plus minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now we can understand by a very simple example. If there is a charge of plus 2 coulomb on any body, how many extra proton is there? So here if I will put Q equals to 2 coulomb, and I have to find the number of charge carrier, then here I will write charge value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now what is the N value? N value is 2 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So now if you will divide it, you will get 2 into 0.625 into 10 to the power 19. So finally you will get 1.25 into 10 to the power 19 charge carrier. So like that you can find how many electrons or protons get transferred.